Hbar holders, welcome back. What a great day to be alive in the crypto markets. Bitcoin at 123, Ethereum pressing $5,000. So let's talk some Hedera and get you guys going in the right direction. For those of you that are new here, my name is Mark. We talk crypto every single day right here, same time, same place. New videos every single day. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you all do that down below. Appreciate you all. And also all the Hbar returning subscribers that have been watching me over the years and months. It really does mean a lot. So thank you guys. And let's get into the news. Right now, we're going to talk about the big headline. Okay. And before we get into that, a couple things of business. We do want to look at what Hbar is doing on the day. We'll pull them up. 16th still in market cap. Not as much as other cryptos, but still, we'll take a 2.3% move to the green all day, as we did touch upon a daily high of 26 cents. This is kind of where we look at it right now. It's bullish, okay? And for those of you that have been watching me for quite some time, when we were scooping up Hbar at 4, 5, and 6 cents, yeah, let's just enjoy the ride. Let's enjoy this, okay? So as we continue to trade Hedera, and for me, it's more of a hold, not financial advice. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence. And I'll never tell you to buy or sell crypto. Please keep that in mind. But Hedera is on my short list of cryptos that I am most bullish about. One of my higher conviction plays that I don't think anybody really appreciates the tech out there in crypto. Okay, I talk a lot on X as well. And the Hedera community is very strong, but in talking about other communities as well, I get to kind of gauge that social sentiment. So it is something worth noting, but I do thank you guys for the support here on YouTube, because that's the only right way to get the word out about what Hbar is building, okay? But back into the headlines, what we're going to touch upon, I do want to also share with you guys an offer currently. This is BITUNIX, one of the exchanges I am partnered with, 3 million plus global users, okay? They do have a spot and leverage trading platform, and from there, guys, a very great interface. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this with you all right now is because I am affiliated with them, and with my sign-up link, you will get a 25% bonus on your futures bonus, I should say. So it's a welcome bonus, and also the first 30 users who register and make their first trade will receive a $10 USDT bonus in your futures account on top of that, okay? So this campaign is running from August 12th through to September 11th, and from there, guys, you can see right on your screen, that's kind of how you can enjoy that extra futures bonus. Make sure it's right for you and where you're located, but start trading today if it checks all of your boxes, okay? But this is the big headline that we're going to talk about, the Grayscale filing for an Hbar ETF in Delaware, okay? So just another step along the way as we do look to break through that 27 cents resistance. Will we touch 30 cents? I think it's firmly in the cards. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you guys with full conviction, but as we've seen the funding rate spike to a 3-week high, there's a lot of optimism and confidence within Hedera and what they're looking to do within a bullish breakout. Now, that's what we're going to continue to look upon. The one thing that within Hbar traders is there's a lot of hope, as we have seen the market funding rate has spiked within the last 24 hours. This is at a 3-week high. So gauging the traders' optimism is very easy to do when we do see this as a bullish opportunity. Okay, and you can see this right by this graphic from CoinGlass on how that weighted funding rate with the open interest has surged over the last 24. Okay, there's a lot of other things that we could talk about within the metrics and the technicals. Okay. We do see a fading bearish trend that the downward pressure is decreasing. So if we do cross over and confirm this shift, this would also kind of indicate there is buying interest within the MACD within Hbar on the charts. Okay, so we're really close to breaking through and getting positive in that regard, but we want to see this turn green and shift over above that neutral line. Okay, so that's something where the Grayscale ETF, everybody and their brother's filing for an ETF. Myself personally, I'm not a big fan of the ETF world. There's reasons for that. Obviously, there's good reasons why Hbar ETFs make sense, okay? I'm not going to be a fool and tell you guys that ETFs are bad, but I just want to see more good come out of the ETFs than bad, okay? That's all I'm trying to say. But also, the last piece of kind of confidence or evidence you want to talk about within Hbar today, the breakout towards $1.50 or $2. That's what everybody wants and dreams of, right? So representing what we were at right now, this would be almost a 6 to 9x roughly, okay? And this is where we talk about an analyst in the space, Steph is Crypto, highlighting the final Hbar wave, okay? So you can see this right here as we do look at the 1, 2, and 3. These are the waves that we have had going on. And according to this data, this is where it's setting up for another Hbar move that could take us above $1 if we do have confirmation and history does repeat. Obviously, this is just speculation, right? It's not financial advice. technicals for crypto trading is a very double-edged sword, okay? I could take any graph or chart you show me, I can add a couple technicals to it, we can manipulate the fundamentals and make it look however we want to make it look. So that's why I don't say, okay, well, here we go, there's that blank oval staring you dead in the face that wave 3 is going to confirm an Hbar breakout, because quite frankly, it makes sense, but it just doesn't always seem to play its course that you would think it does, okay? And that's, you know, fine to speculate, but it's also important to keep in mind that this is just speculation, okay? If we knew where crypto was headed, if I had that crystal ball, I'd be playing the lottery. I wouldn't be trading crypto, okay? But that's just one data point to kind of indicate that Hbar is kind of set up for a gradual move and growing with a lot of strength and momentum, okay? So the one thing we want to talk about to kind of get out of here is where we look into another trend, which is that upper Bollinger Band, okay? If we do kind of reach that, that's the readiness that we would have to breach resistance and from there potentially surge to new highs. Now, that's what we want to see. There's a lot of metrics that we could talk about till we're blue in the face, but quite frankly, what it comes down to is traders wanting Hbar, okay? We get that FOMO, we get that retail demand up, a little bit of institutional demand on the side, and I think Hbar will find itself in a very strong position. And that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about in this video, okay? Everything looks good. It all checks out. You know, the stage is set, but we need to have it. We need to have the performance on the charts to confirm all of these moves and all the speculation that everybody keeps talking about. Okay, so leave a comment down below. What do you guys think? Is Hbar ready to move? Will we see 30 cents plus? Do you believe in that wave 3? Do you think we can touch it and reclaim all-time highs and even over $1 for Hbar? Leave a comment down below. Appreciate you guys all tuning in for this quick Hbar update. Also, make sure you all subscribe to the channel and check out BITUNIX, that link I have in the description, if you do want to enjoy that futures trading bonus on your new account. All right. Thank you all. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.